In yesterday's vlog, we shared our preparations and thoughts before going on our biggest adventure in the Philippines.
We are leaving Manila to embark on probably our biggest adventure in the Philippines ever. All of this needs to somehow fit in the car.
And we welcomed you to our Hilaga Serye. We had no plan or any idea where we were going or sleeping, and it was a decision that is both exciting and terrifying. Today, we packed with a lot of courage and hit the road bearing just a few of our essentials and a huge hope that our wheels take us to the best places we will ever see. And our journey began under the pull of stars with our dearest friends and our last fancy dinner. The night was dark as we began to set up camp.
That's it, my work for the day is done.
Oh, I know! We realized that we were missing a lot of things.
What's going on here? Uh-oh. Troubles.
And we decided to stop by the department store to complete camp, making it to the north.
Okay, we got the car packed. Everything fit?
Everything fits, and we still have a lot of space actually in the back of the car.
Oh, but we have to lay there. Where are we gonna be when we're gonna be putting the stuff when we're laying in that space? So we are sleeping in the car. We're camping out. We have an air mattress. So all that space is going to be filled out with a lovely soft plush air mattress that I actually ordered off of Amazon. And actually a lot of the gear that we got for this trip I got off Amazon. I'll put a list linked in the description box down below, and yeah, you can check it out there. Food and coffee, and then we hit the road.
Yes.
Let's go.
First off-road.
Put this car into off-road mode. There you go.
Woo! It's gonna be so nice in the morning.
Yes, it is.
Surrounded by trees with...
We have
Hello.
arrived.
Hello.
Let me park the car facing this way. Right?
Okay.
We have arrived at the camping spot for the night. We are just trying to find a nice spot to position the car so that it's nice and romantic for us, and it's going to be cool to get shots of the whole camping situation. So yeah. Where would you like me, ma'am?
Over there, so when we take drone shots, it's nice and...
Flip it around. Okay, Miss Boss Lady. Where exactly do you want me?
Here. Because over there, the grass is tall. And it's less flat. Yep. Over.
Perfect.
Over. Over.
Huh?
Over.
Over?
Forward. Stop. Good. Does it feel even inside?
Huh?
Does it feel even?
More or less. So, you want me to set up chairs? Yep.
Huh?
You want me to set up chairs?
We need the light first. How does the table go, baby? How does the table go?
Oh, I'll do it. I know how to set it up. I can show you. So this goes down, and then these. Sorry, this goes down. And these flip into here. Alright, guys, we're almost there. Our setup feels very minimalistic right now.
We just need light.
Yeah.
Babe, help.
Help.
But imagine, who else is the
Stop spoiling.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, that's it. My work for the day is done.
Oh, I know.
Yes, very nice. Okay, we have more or less set up camp back there, and now we're just walking over to say hello to Serye and Millie. Actually, this wasn't supposed to be our first stop on this trip. This was actually a spontaneous kind of
Oh my God, so
situation.
bright. Yes, we were supposed to camp in Pangasinan, in Agno, Pangasinan, but I guess that's what the trip is for, to be amenable,
Spontaneous.
to be spontaneous, and to embrace changes.
Yeah. And Jay is here as well. Hello, Jay.
Hello.
Tao po, manggugulo.
Hello.
Ay, alam ko eh. I can hear it from the other side.
Hello, guys.
Yun naman pala, kaya pala.
How's it going?
Hey, Mike! Hello!
Hello.
Baka pwede manghingi na mais.
So we are just assembling our bed, and we've already tested this out in the garage at St. Moritz, just to make sure it works and it's comfortable, and it is comfortable. It is very comfortable. What's going on here? Uh-oh. Troubles. And then it's always important when you're inflating a mattress and it's so hot, it's good to inflate yourself. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's good. Anybody else, huh? Alright. No camping trip is complete without a visit to the SM store to pick up a bunch of stuff that we should have brought in the first place, but we kind of forgot. Love, we said we want a tiny soy sauce bottle. Yeah. And you look stressed, Love. Are you stressed?
No?
Okay, we got a few things. Now we are just looking for some kind of small fan for inside the car when we're sleeping, just so that we have a little bit of air circulation. Let's see if we can find something at Miniso. Ah, here. This could be it. Love, what did we get?
Bunch of stuff that we couldn't get in Manila because I don't know, we had our errands day to prepare for this, but you know, eventually we ran out of time. We had other stuff that we had to do, and now we have the time and the actual place where we could get the stuff we need.
But right now we're actually supposed to be at a dinner, a camping dinner, and we're like 30 minutes away from the camping dinner, so we got to really hurry. But I think we got good. I think the fans are important, like with all the heat
Very
that there is. Very important. We're back.
Oh, you meet everyone first.
Ah, yes. Hello, everyone. Hello. How's food? Good. Good. I think now is the time to explain to everybody where we actually are and what we are doing here.
Why would I do me?
Because we've not done that yet.
I think it's time for you to explain.
Okay, so we are here in Pampanga, actually close to Clark, and this
Porac.
Porac, and this camping spot is called the W Camp, right? Mm-hmm. And right now there is an overlanding and camping expo that is taking place right next door. We'll see it a little bit in the morning, but yeah, we decided to come here and camp here. It wasn't originally our plan to camp here, but we decided to come here because
To show support.
Because the team from the Mountain Man and Roof Deck Kitchen are here doing a private dinner under the starry sky, beautiful sky. So we decided to change our plans a little bit and stop here first and have a first camp out here, and actually quite good because we realized that we were missing a lot of stuff.
As I said, we allotted the time to get the stuff that we needed, but we still, it wasn't enough time, and there was no store where we needed the what? my English is no more. My English is no more. No graduation, sorry.
But the food is looking absolutely amazing. Look at this. Oh, no cutlery. Look at this massive seafood bake. This is a seafood bake, right? Here we have lovely salt crusted fish. It's like we had last time we were in Baguio. Very, very nice. You hungry?
Yeah, I'm very hungry. I'm
Let's
starving.
eat. Ah, what a fun day, and a whole ton of learnings on how to set up a camp, to camp properly. We've got a lot of organizing to do tomorrow morning, but for today we're going to call it a night. It has cooled down so much. It is so nice out here. You can hear the crickets, I guess it is, chirping. There's a beautiful starlit sky here, and we're going to be sleeping with a view of that through the moonroof. It's going to be so nice. I'll show you guys the whole setup tomorrow morning. I need a night's rest.
Join us tomorrow as we give you a full tour of our camp, making it to the north, and discover the beauty of camping in the Philippines together with us, as we are absolutely blown away by the serenity and beauty of Pampanga. This is the perfect kickoff to an amazing journey, and we can't wait to share the other amazing places we visited with you.